This is the #1 tip I wish I knew when I was installing hair extensions behind the chair: utilizing micro wefts with IBE. Have you ever found yourself using hand-tied hair, but wishing it was a little easier to use? Maybe wishing you could just snip the end off without everything unraveling as you measure to your client's head? Or struggling to reinstall the row lined with swollen wefts and wondering how to adjust your tension gap to accommodate? Well, our micro wefts are about to make your extension dreams come true. Our micro wefts have the high quality of hand-tied hair we've come to know and love, but it also has the durability of a reinforced machine weft. Your clients will no longer complain about itchy return hair because it just doesn't exist with this type of weft. You don't have to lecture your curly clients anymore for letting their hair completely air dry, because with this weft, moisture retention is no longer a problem. Neither is matting of that pesky return hair. Home care just got a lot easier for your guests with IBE. Your extensions are about to get seamless, invisible, and efficient with our micro weft collection from Shop IBE. You'll learn how to use these types of wefts in our extension education course. IBE teaches you how to double your income without working more hours. You gain confidence behind the chair. You will build a booked out, specialized extension business and recoup your certification investment very quickly in as little as 1 to 6 clients. At IBE, we teach you how to master the craft with high quality products that are going to make your business behind the chair soar. If you're ready to elevate your installs and offer your clients the best in class, explore IBE certification today.